Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet an easy spring flower. I'm using Lion Brand Mandala yarn and separating it into colors and a size G crochet hook. I'm using the yellow and orange for this flower. Start with a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1. In this ring, make 12 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 11, and 12. You have a choice of either continuing with the same color yarn and making a slip stitch, or use the new color yarn to join and finish the slip stitch. Then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next stitch, we're going to do a 5 treble crochet bobble. Start off like you were making a treble crochet stitch, but don't finish it. Then start another treble crochet stitch, but don't finish it. That's number 2. We'll do the 3rd treble crochet now. And the 4th treble crochet. And finally, the 5th treble crochet stitch. You can see the 5 treble crochet along with the original chain 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. And then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the place you made the bobble stitches. For the next petal, slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next stitch, we'll do the 5 treble crochet bobble. Begin the first treble crochet, but don't finish it, and the second, and I'll skip over to the 5th one here. You can see the 5 treble crochet plus the chain 4 on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook, and then chain 4. Slip stitch into the base of the bobble, and repeat the process for the next petal. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and chain 4. Then proceed as before. You'll make 6 petals total for this flower. For the last petal, just end with the chain 4 and slip stitch into the base of the bobble stitch just made. Cut and weave in all the ends. You can sew or glue on a gem or button for the middle as decoration. And that's how I make my easy spring flowers.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.